everyone, and thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna be doing an unpacking and installation of the new battery for my motorcycle. First, I'm gonna do the before and after test. I'm gonna connect the voltmeter over here and show you what the old battery does. This new battery is supposed to come pre-charged. It's a glass bag, gel seal battery. Supposed to hold the charge better than the regular lead acid. So here we go. I'm gonna connect the voltmeter, and I'm gonna start the bike, and I'm gonna show you what it does first and after. So I'll be right back. So as you can see, that's the remaining bolt on the battery. I started it up yesterday, the bike, for a few minutes, and didn't let it run a lot. So you're gonna see, I'm gonna put the key in the ignition, and watch what happens as soon as I turn the key on. So that's with the key on, lights and all, not running. I'm gonna start it up. So as you can see, there's nothing wrong with the charging system. The battery's getting charged, but the battery's not holding its charge anymore. It's an old battery. I don't know how long it's been on the bike. The first year that I got the bike, I didn't put the charger on it or anything, so it died over the winter, and I had to jump start it. And even this past winter, I ended up having to jump start it before I took the battery out and bring it in and put it on the charger. So that's gonna be the thing. So I'm gonna do the unpacking. I got this from a eBay reseller. It came in 2 days. It's called chromebattery.com. So it came really good pack. Alright, I need both hands for this, so to verify the part number, that's a Yuasa TX14BS. That's a 14BS, so it should be the same battery. I gotta remove that nut right there and take this all out. So I'll be back. Like I said, it should be pre-charge. There's no charging to be done. It's heavy. It comes with an 18-month warranty. Pre-register it from the date of sale. All right. So there it is. Glass pack gel fill. Comes with a little meter. Has 12.9 volts in it right now. So let me undo the old one and put the new one in. What a pain in the ass was to get that nut out of there. With the right tools, you can do anything. So this bike came with a AC outlet. I never used it, so I'm not even gonna connect it back. This is the leads for the battery tender or the battery charger. And just wiggle this baby out. Alright. So what the hell was that? I don't know. So that's the old one. Let's see. Doesn't have a date stamp on it. Does not have a date stamp on it. All right. So I just take the new one and kind of wiggle it back in place. Alright. So I just connect the terminals and that'll be it. I'll be right back. Easy as I thought. See, this battery, the terminals are closer to the body. They're not, these ones are a little bit elongated. This one, they're really narrow, closer to the battery, and you can see this contraption over here for hooking up a jumper cable, a jumper box. This construction right here, this metal wasn't allowing it to sit properly, so I had a hard time getting the battery in. But it's in, it's tight. So now I've got to connect the other side first. I gotta connect the battery holder in, and then I'll connect the other side. I'll be back. Connection is made. Now let's test this baby up.
Hey, Greta.
Hello.
What you doing? Oh, adding the new battery?
Yep, the new battery.
Nice. Can I use the PS4?
Yep.
Yeah, thank you.
So there's 12.9. Now I'm gonna turn the key on. Oops. Bike is off, switch is on, lights are on. So word to the wise, make sure you connect your battery tender in the winter when you're storing the bike, because you don't want to be stranded up in the road with a dead battery. So I should have known. Now let's find out. I still gotta find out if that was my problem with the battery dying on me and not starting. We shall find out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Traction. I could never get it to work, right? So now it's charging.